Okay guys, here's a quick 360 of what I can see just above me at the moment. Bless you, my love. A lot of people have been saying they got a lot of, feels like dust in their eyes and dust in their nose, itchy eyes, that kind of stuff. So this is pretty normal kind of reaction when this sort of stuff is in the sky. I thought I'd just give you a 360. Try not to dox myself in the process. Anyway guys, that's Brisbane today. And it's the 23rd. 22nd. Oops. Dates will never be my forte. Alright. Wait, where's that aeroplane? There you go. Get a little aeroplane as well in there. Alright, see yous.